Yo, what is up, crypto crew? Welcome back to a brand new cryptocurrency video. And in today's video, I'm going to be making a video on how you guys can get involved in this amazing crypto market. So before I get into it, be sure to subscribe, leave a like down below, ask me any questions you guys have about this throughout the video, and be sure to stay at the end. I'm going to be giving you my top 5 picks of 2020 coins that will make you guys a lot of money. So let's get right into it. So this is the website. It's coinbase.com. If you guys never heard of it, I have a link down below to it. If you guys use my link, sign you up, you guys will get $10 free just by using my link. So that's $10 free of Bitcoin you guys get for doing nothing. Other than that, let's get right into it, boys. So this is the main website. This is the #1 place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. I've been using this for almost 3 years now. It's never had an issue. Everything works perfectly for me, and this is just an amazing beginner friendly website where you guys can get started. So this is just the front, the main website right here. I'll be showing you my account in the back in a second, but I'm just showing you how it looks. So this is it. They offer more coins than this. You can sell on here as well. Whenever you're ready and you made a profit, you can sell and it goes right back to your account. They have over $150 billion worth of currency exchanged, over 30 million customers. This is just how it is. You create an account, you link your bank account, and then you can just start buying and selling. They also have where you can earn up to $166 free. It's just by watching videos. I've done this. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to make another video upon how you guys can just watch videos and get $166 free worth of crypto. So be sure to subscribe. I think I'll make that video tomorrow. They have that's pretty much it on the front office. So I'm gonna go to my account right here and show you how it all works. Alright guys, this is my back office. I currently have $17 in here. I usually use it, move my money to another hardware wallet. I don't like to keep my money on these exchanges for long periods of time. Nonetheless, it is very safe, but since I hold a large sum of money, I prefer to keep it in my own hardware wallet personally. So getting right into it, this is the back office. Once you guys sign up, you'll be asked to add your bank account information. Once you do that, you should be all set and good to go. They'll give you like some they'll charge your account for like 10-13 cents. You just verify what they charge you. It's just like a normal background check procedure. Once that's all set, they have a lot of coins that they offer. So these are all the coins that you guys can buy and sell on Coinbase, which is amazing, because when I first started, they only had, I think, like 3. They had Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. They had like 4, which they've definitely came a long way. But that's what they have. You can create your own watch list as to what you prefer. They have an app too, so like if you were to go and you wanted to start trading crypto, you would choose Bitcoin, and you can monitor them. You can make different charts and see whether you want to buy or sell. They have weekly, monthly, everything. For each coin, they also provide some basic knowledge on it, so the market cap, the hold time, the popularity, the all-time high, which is good to know as well. Just some basic background information about that coin, and also some stories regarding it and where you guys can stay up to date with it. So if we choose, so these are just my watch list, what I monitor here and there. They give you a percentage change over here as well. You guys can also earn free crypto. I'll make videos about that in the future. And this is your portfolio, and you can also send and receive Bitcoin through different exchanges. Let's say you want to start trading to Binance or these other websites which offer more coins. You guys can send your Bitcoin there and start trading that way. If you guys know about that, I'll be making more videos about that too, so make sure you subscribe if you want to learn how you guys can start trading crypto. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be doing a live buy so you guys know how to get started with this. So once you create your account, this is most likely what it's going to look like. What you're going to do is go to prices and choose which one you would like to purchase. I'm personally going to be buying some Bitcoin right now. And then you have this option right here, buy, sell, convert. So we're going to be buying some, so I'm going to just put in $20 worth. and your payment gateway should come up. You could just choose which you want to pay with, and all you're gonna do is click preview buy. That's gonna load and set up everything, so you just verify everything is correct. That's your card, that's the price per BTC you're gonna be paying, so you don't have to pay $6,127. You can buy small portions of it, so I'm just buying $20 worth. They do charge you a little fee, nothing crazy, and you're just gonna click buy now, and it's gonna do its thing, and it's really quick. So it's just gonna authorize it for a second, and I just heard my phone go off, meaning it did go through, and that's it. That's pretty much it. You can view your transaction, and you can see that it's over here now in your wallet. Now if I go back to my home screen, you can see my total portfolio balance went up $20, or $18.51 after the fee. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you guys start getting into it, it becomes like clockwork. You know, you would buy whenever the market's down, or if you want to start trading, you could do it that way as well. Another thing I really like about Coinbase is it gives you a market overview. So everything that they have to offer, they're showing. Overall, everything, the market is down 1.20%, about 1%, which is kind of like they're basically using this like if you guys know what stocks are, the S&P 500, saying they're using all of these to, you're just adding the percentage up and seeing the average. So today they're saying it's down 1.2%, which is not bad compared to recent days. But other than that, that's just basically how you buy. And if you guys are wondering how you sell, so you go to your portfolio over here. This is your portfolio, and it shows everything you have. So I have $18 worth of that, $17 worth of EOS. So let's say I want to sell Bitcoin. All I would do is go over here. I'm sorry, you're gonna go to overview instead. So once you're ready to sell, you just click sell over here, and you're gonna sell this into your cash account. So this is the cash reserve you have in Coinbase. So once you sell it there, I'm not gonna sell right now because I don't want to. It's gonna, once you go to your portfolio, the $18.51 is gonna be right here in your US dollars. And all you're gonna do is just click withdraw here, choose your bank account, and I think 1 to 2 business days it should be in your account. So let's say I bought $20 worth right now, and let's say Bitcoin's up 5% tomorrow, and I made my 5% gain, and I want to sell out. I would just follow that step, and it would be in my bank account with plus profit. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. How you guys are willing, if you guys want to get involved with crypto, that's how you buy and sell. It's pretty self-explanatory once you guys start getting involved with it. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. I'll be sure to ask every question you guys have. Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for, the best coins that I think are going to be doing amazing this year, in the year 2020. So let's get into it. The number one that I think will be best, I actually put this in order, will be Bitcoin. If you guys don't know, I made a video. I'll leave a link down below to the Bitcoin halving, what it is and why it's so relevant this year. But because of the Bitcoin halving, which is going to happen May 2020, Bitcoin is going to be my number one pick. So if you guys could get involved, make sure you have Bitcoin, because this year, in 1 to 2 years, this is going to rally like crazy, and everyone's going to be talking about Bitcoin again. So that's my number one pick. My number two pick is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum is like a tech hub. All of the smart, I'm gonna get a little technical, but all the smart contracts are built on the Ethereum network. It's an amazing coin, and there's a lot of sub contracts built into it, which is an amazing thing. And I can definitely see this going. Also, I'll show you guys the chart. All these coins, you have to understand, are like pretty much at their all-time low, because if we go to all, so the price is 127 right now. If you guys want to know the highest it's ever been at, it's been at almost $1,500. So if you can just buy $127 worth right now, which is, I think, perfectly doable if you guys want to start investing. Who knows, maybe in a couple of years this might pass its all-time high, and you would have $1,500 just off a $127 investment, which is absurd. And that's kind of why I enjoy the crypto market. So that's number two. Number three of my favorite coin that's going to rally this year is going to be XRP. XRP is basically Ripple, and what Ripple is it's really cheap, but remember, it is cheap, so you can just buy more of it But the thing with Ripple is it's involved with the banks, so it is basically a bank coin. So a lot of these big banks like JP Morgan Chase, BMO, they're trying to get Ripple's their software into their thing because they know crypto is going to be big. So XRP focuses on the banks, and because banks are so relevant in the economy and you need them, this is definitely a big coin to hold, because this will rally up. And also, if I show you their all-time chart, it's currently trading at 17 cents. Ripple's all-time high was almost $4. So imagine if you just bought $100 worth, you would be getting a lot of Ripple, and then times that by $4, you definitely made a great profit. That's number 3. Number 4 for me is definitely going to have to be Stellar Lumens XLM. What XLM is, it's the same thing as Ripple. What XLM is, when they started Ripple, there were 2 guys that started it. The second guy, they had the Screamer or whatever, and he went and started XLM, which is kind of the same thing. He also prefers the banks, and if you look at XLM, it's only 3 pennies, about 4 pennies, and that hit its all-time high was almost $1. So like I said, these are amazing things. I mean, everything in the crypto market I think will go up, but these are my top 5 picks for 2020. And what's going to be coming in at number 5 is going to have to be Litecoin. Litecoin is a sleeper coin. Not that many people talk about it. It definitely is a huge pick for me. It's on the cheaper end. This is also like Ethereum coin. It's on the technical spot. There's a lot of smart contracts built on this. You could do a lot of stuff with Litecoin as well. So Litecoin as well, its highest went almost to $420. It's only $38. So these are amazing coins you guys can hold. I personally think this year to next year is going to be a big year for crypto. So if you guys can get it now, this would be an amazing opportunity to get into it. So these are my top 5 picks right here, Bitcoin to Litecoin. If you guys do want to get involved with crypto, I'll leave the link down below. Like I said, you guys can get $10 free just by signing up using my link. Other than that, this was just a quick guide on how you guys can get started with cryptocurrency, the best way to buy and sell. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, please be sure to leave them down below. I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, subscribe. It tremendously helps the YouTube algorithm. Other than that, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace. And as always, keep hustling.